So we are back in Bearwood. So this is the 2-bed buy-to-let, single-let that we're renovating. This is at the end of the first week, so rip out. A lot of the work's been done. What I'm going to do is, because the last time I went here it was pitch black and there was no electricity, I'm going to do an end of week review and I'll show you guys around as well to see how everything, how we're getting on after the first week. All right, let me turn the camera around. Okay, so we are in the front reception room. The first coating has started. What we've done is we've found so there's signs of a leak here, and the builders had a look up above this, and there's some tiles missing. So I've asked them to provide a quote to fix it, and then we'll do remedial works on that as well. Down here, I think we're going to have just to rip up the carpet now, because we don't want to paint the woodwork and then for it to look weird when the carpeting gets removed. Doors have been sanded down and repainted. So to keep costs down, we're going to try and keep these wallpaper. These are wood chip wallpaper. They will take the wall with it, and that's going to be really expensive to put right. Basically plastering and all that sort of stuff on top. Painting has started here as well. Okay, so first potential issue is that there is a woodworm here. There's damp. I think something's done damp proofing here. What I'm going to have to ask them to do is remove this flooring to investigate and see what it needs doing. Potentially we just have to board it up instead, but we'll see what that's going to be. So the plan would then be downstairs to have laminate flooring here, there, in here. We'll keep these tiles because they seem good enough. They'll clean up pretty well. We've got like a metal strip around there to protect that and make it more presentable. You can see, look, it's gone. Okay, kitchen. So washing machine is going to go here. We'll put the panel back on once the washing machine is put in, because there's no space for it in there. Fridge freezer will go there. We'll try and keep a gas hob, because tenants in this area would want to use gas to do their cooking. Electric oven. There is a potentially a leak with this old boiler, so we've left it now. We'll come back and check the back to see if the pressure has dropped, and if it's potentially the back if it's the leak at the back. Otherwise it's one of these pipe work. What else is there? We're gonna have to try and fix this door to fix this gap here. There you see the gap. The glass has been replaced, but I think the door frame needs looking at. These radiators, they're quite old, and I think it would make sense, it's potentially going to make sense to replace them. The reason being that once the walls have been repainted, everything's brand new, these radiators are going to stick out like a sore thumb, and there's no point in trying to take those off, strip them down, clean them, all that sort of stuff, potentially repaint them, when you can pretty much just get new radiators fitted for about £1,000, 200 grand and a half, and they'll look and work much better. Well, they'll look a lot better, and also you'd know there won't be any issues with them. Where possible, we just repair the walls. Again, if this wallpaper was taken off, then it will cost quite a lot of money to replaster throughout. So unfortunately we're going to have to keep this wallpaper along here as well. Now there are some lights up there which don't seem to be working, and the wallpaper seems to be bubbling. So what I have asked is for a quote to get this boarded up, or just to strip it down and replaster and repainted, and see what that comes back at, and potentially do that. Apparently there's a lot of mess up there, so I'll ask Carl to come around, clear that up, clear that out, and also clear out the rubbish at the back as well. Just do one clear out run, and then he'll come back again at the end of the project and remove the rest. These battens, there's too many holes in them, so we're going to just replace it with a new batten that's a bit thicker, and then put curtain poles up there. Painting in here has started. Again, we'll ask this warm carpet to be lifted as well. This one doesn't seem so bad right now, but once everything is the yellow, once new carpets are in, new walls painted, that will start to stick out as well. We're replacing all the lights, switches and sockets with brushed chrome ones because they seem to add value. Carpets, so upstairs we'll be carpeting in all the bedrooms, landing and stairs, and then in the bathroom will be lino as well, again painted. The decorating has started here as well, and the doors have been sanded down and repainted. So that's all the rubbish back there. All the metals we'll leave at the front for the scrap metal people to come and collect. Bathroom. So bathroom has been boarded up, insulated, plastered. Changed the window frame to make it more presentable as well. Once that's done, then everything, then we'll put a new bathroom in, and that will be a lot more presentable. I think that's it. So the main challenge here, so the main things to keep an eye out here would be what's going on with the what's going on with the flooring down here, which we won't know down here until we've investigated. So yeah, I mean, loads of progress, loads of work has been done, and just finding more issues, which is quite common. And if you don't know me already, my name is Nguyen. We're here to manage high quality HMOs and singlets in and around Birmingham. And if you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to like and follow for more. All right, see you.